session related to the network security, firewall, Fortinet, and the Palo Alto. We will have, firstly, Fortinet session, and after, Palo Alto, we will start. So we have our trainer also. Hi, Mr.
Hello, hello. Yeah, I'm here.
So yeah, so for the while, sir, we can discuss with students about their the agenda they are expecting from us, the level they are expecting. Okay, and you can interact with them, and more students are joining also along with that.
Like some other people also will join.
Yes, yes, more people will join. So this is the day one demo session. So over to you. You can introduce yourself. You can tell your expertise, and we can introduce the Fortinet Firewall. Why Fortinet Firewall is a mandatory and everything. So over to you, sir.
Okay, thank you, thank you. Hey guys. So guys, my name is Amit, and I'll be your instructor for the Fortinet Firewall section mainly. And if required, definitely Palo Alto also I'll be handling. Not such an issue. Only the point is, we just need to make sure, like the thing that we as next gen, you can say consulting company in this particular field can help you to actually get whatever you are here right now. So just we wanted to have a quick introduction first, then after that we'll be jumping on the main syllabus topics that we are going to discuss, we are going to have in this particular session. I hope so everyone here is in comfortable English as well as in Hindi both. If no, then just you can ask right in the English or Hindi, both are okay. But English, I think everyone will be comfortable here. Anyone here who don't know English at all, or your understanding? Yes, guys. I hope so everyone is understanding, right? So a quick yes, Suresh, thank you. So a quick introduction we'll be doing. I just want to understand your expectation, guys, like what you are expecting from this Fortinet training. All right. And then accordingly we'll be planning this all the complete sessions in our upcoming classes as per your requirement. So like we are ready to customize our plan, we are ready to deliver that whatever requirement you guys will have. So you just need to share your requirement, like I come from this background and I'm shifting in security, I'm shifting in networking, I need this information to be uploaded in my head. So this is the agenda why I'm here to take this demo class. This type of thing, just we are here. Yes, Mumtaz, definitely I'll be also talking in Hindi. So guys, जैसा कि मैं बोल रहा था, आपका जो भी रिक्वायरमेंट है, आपकी एक एक्सपेक्टेशन होएगी, राइट? जब आपने ये सोचा होगा कि मुझे फोर्टिनेट का या पालो ऑल्टो का फायरवॉल की ट्रेनिंग लेनी है, देन आपके मन में एक रिक्वायरमेंट होती है कि मैं क्यों ले रहा हूँ ये ट्रेनिंग, करेक्ट? सो वो सारी चीजें आपसे मैं सोचता हूँ कि इंट्रोडक्शन में एक बार आप बताओ, सो वी मोस्ट प्रोबेबली विल अंडरस्टैंड योर साइड, आपकी तरफ से कि आपकी क्या है, हमसे उम्मीदें हैं कि आप किस तरह की ट्रेनिंग चाहते हो या क्या कंटेंट आपको चाहिए. आई होप एवरीवन इज क्लियर ऑन दैट. सो गाइज प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. आप अपना माइक ऑन करके आप बोल सकते हो एक एक करके, और मैं यहाँ नोट डाउन भी करूंगा नोट पैड में, सो दैट कि हम एज अ कंपनी, ट्रेनिंग प्रोवाइडिंग कंपनी, कंसल्टिंग कंपनी, आपको उस हिसाब से कोर्स को डिजाइन करके दे दें. एंड it's been now while guys, not while, it's been more than decades I am in the same industry. अभी मतलब 10 साल से ज्यादा हो गया कि सेम में ट्रेनिंग में, टेक्निकल ट्रेनिंग में, सॉफ्ट स्किल ट्रेनिंग में, ये सारी चीजें मैं करता हूँ खुद, और आपको डेफिनेटली उसका बेनिफिट मिलने वाला है. सो पॉइंट अब यही है कि अब आप लोग अपनी अपनी एक्सपेक्टेशन प्लीज बताएं, अपने बारे में थोड़ा सा बताएं, सो दैट हमें आइडिया लगे कि किस तरह से कोर्स को ड्राफ्ट करना है हमें. ओवर टू यू गाइज. So I'm
Start.
sharing my screen. Just tell me. So accordingly, I'll be making a note.
Should I start?
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Morning.
Good morning.
This is Muhammad Aziz from Saudi Arabia.
Hi, Aziz. Welcome to the class. Yes. please.
Uh, I'm doing here a job as a IT support specialist in Saudi Electricity.
Mm-hmm.
So now I just want to upgrade my career
Okay.
with firewall courses. As
That
I
is
see
good.
here, so much opportunities for this profile.
Okay, in Saudi Arabia, right? Yeah, good. You are in
Yeah,
the right track. Okay, good. So you want to update the
that's why
career and
I'm planning to, yeah, exactly. Improve myself, my skills, and advance my career level.
good.
I just
So
want
right
to
now,
know about the. Just give me 2 minutes.
okay,
I
sure,
just
sure.
want to know about the class, timings and the how many classes in a week. Because
Mhm.
here India to Saudi Arabia, we have 2.30 hours difference in the
So you
time.
guys are behind or ahead in time?
Head.
Behind. They are behind.
Behind. Okay, okay. Oh, I got to know, like some other student also, right, sir, from there, in my training. Okay, I remember now. 2.5, no? So okay, the team will
Yeah,
be in
two and
Pure
a
Connect.
half.
I think they are already. Yes. Okay. Go ahead.
So that's why I'm just want to know the timing and the class days.
Okay, sir.
Aziz, basically we have two timings, Monday to Friday, 9 p.m. IST, weekdays batch, 5 days in a
Okay.
like week, or on the weekend, Saturday, Sunday,
Okay.
we have 11 a.m. Okay, IST,
Okay.
standard timing. So
As I hear, we have a weekend in Friday and Saturday.
yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
Here we are.
Then you
Our
can
starts with the
then we can
Sunday.
give you yeah we can give you both batches access, weekdays also, weekend also, and obviously if you are missing any class, you are getting the recording also and the lab access as well.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. For the live access, I just want to with the live. I want to access with the live so that I can ask any questions if I face any issues.
Definitely,
So I can
definitely,
ask
definitely.
on spot.
Yeah, this is the live session. Don't worry. And everything,
Okay.
every solution we have, okay. And already we are having students who are working in ABC shift or from different region. So we have multiple timings. I will, connect with my admin team, admission team, to give you like
Okay.
answer for these things. Okay. So right now we can just
Okay.
focus on some introduction and the learning part, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
so
Thank you.
what level knowledge, Mohammed Aziz, you have already, like, have you done earlier something like security, in security, like CCNA, at least routing switching, you
I
have
have
little
done
bit knowledge?
CCNA. I have done CCNA along before, like 4 years before.
Okay.
But I tried for searching here for CCNA, but here they are asking for like CCNP. It's
Yeah.
very hard to get a job in CCNA.
CCNA with
So that's
multiple
why,
skills you need to add, then they will provide, right?
yeah, exactly. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's the requirement here.
Exactly. We know actually. It's been much time for us to be in the industry, and we are seeing what is the requirement. Like actually, CCNA guy cannot contribute much in the projects. That's why we need multiple skills above the
Yes,
CCNA. CCNA is just a foundation, and after that we need to make our
absolutely right.
grading above. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely.
Thank you, Aziz. Welcome to the class. We'll be in your touch.
Thank you so
Yes.
much.
Who is coming next, please?
Hey, hi team. Good morning. So,
Hi, Faisal.
uh, I'm a working professional. So I'm working as a network engineer. So I'm doing this course to get, ourselves familiar with the security part, because nowadays the network engineer should have at least four skills. Routing switching. Apart from routing switching, they need to know the security, the SDN technologies, and little bit automation as well. So my focus is clear. I just want to cover every aspect of a good network engineers. That's why I'm here. So I'm not much aware about these, the training that the way you will give to us. But one request, I know that you will definitely cover that. But just just I want to request you to be the theory will completely give us, but apart from that, I little bit request like you must be practical as per the industry that we are using. Okay, because it happens sometimes people are giving good theoretical knowledge, but in terms of the interviewer asks, they ask the inside means inside our scenario based troubleshootings,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
where we lack, because we know that this is the terms and terminology is working for that reason, but when it comes to the troubleshooting part or the scenario based part, we are lack there, and that will be great once we get into the industry and working on the firewalls. So I will request you to be keep mind on that point as well, so that we can familiar with the real based industry and scenario as well. That is the only request.
Yeah, definitely, Faisal. Thank you so much for bringing this in notice. And one thing very good, that is fortunate thing that we already is practicing, is we already provide all the trainings that is already relevant to the industry, because we already working in the industry.
No, I know.
Okay,
That's
so
why I said
yeah,
I'm
definitely,
not much
definitely.
aware about your
Yeah,
training,
no
but
issue.
one request.
Yeah, you'll once you'll be coming now, like this introduction part will be finished, then automatically you are going to see that thing. Okay.
Yes,
So I'll be giving you scenario, like you guys, I'll be explaining the scenario, what type of scenario can be there in the company, and why we are using which feature, and what is the relevance of using that feature, and some other feature is also available there, but why we are not using that one. So this type of thing you will be able to get definitely. And if you want, then you also can ask our admission team. They will be helping you with some pre-recorded video as well, where you can see like this what type of training, like pre-recorded also you can go there. I think I will requesting them, so they will provide you some pre-recorded session also of mine only. I'm saying because this I'm going to handle, so
okay,
you can also see like what type of scenario we create and how we solve that. So not need to worry, actually you are at the right place. Actually, I'm also that type of person who will always see the things relevant to the industry. So actually theory knowledge, practical knowledge, that is something that anyone can get from Udemy even, right? But
correct.
the industry aligned syllabus, that is very rare to get. This is the reason we as a student search for some institute, some good resource to learn. You are at the right place, Faisal. No need to worry, actually you are at the right place, and I will say all the best. We'll be seeing that you are asking already. We are already aligned with that. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you for the pre-recording offers, so that it really help.
Yeah,
We
definitely,
can go
for
through.
you seeing the at least the part like how we are delivering, right? So not
Correct.
only the Fortinet, even for the routing, switching, CCNA, CCNP, Palo Alto, everything you can see there. We have so many pre-recorded library available there, you can see, and you'll be able to literally take decision. Okay, I am at the right uh, consulting firm. Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you so much, Faisal. Who is coming next? Like, we'll be giving you time, guys. You just keep speaking, no issue. So, yes, thank
Hello.
you so much. Yeah.
Yeah, Rajesh here.
Yeah,
Rajesh.
I'm here.
Hi,
Yeah,
Rajesh.
Rajesh Dora.
Yeah.
Rajesh. Okay.
Yeah. So, as per my requirement, so I already been work on security 7 8 years before, and again I need to right now I'm just working on the data network, mostly
Mm-hmm.
SD-WAN, ACI and all. So I want to move completely to the security domain, and that is the reason I already been discussed with your whoever the front end guy. So
Mm-hmm.
he already I'm just looking for this both firewall and cloud security and compliance and all. So I'll be looking for the longer partnership with you. As for my requirement, I already been informed him that I need a help on the lab side also. Okay, so practical I have much video or all those things. Okay, and even I know the concept, but I need to every lab I need to do by my own. So as per my requirement, so I have my own laptop and the requirement of memory and the CPU. So I need help to initially for the lab setup in my own laptop and all, which they have agreed. And anytime
Yeah,
I need
definitely.
and like anytime I need some help for the doing the lab, that support will be required. So that's why he told me that we will be giving on the return to you that these are the things you'll be getting. So that things I am looking from you, and I'll be going for more on the practical side. And in operation, so like in operation sites, what are the things required, like upgrading or failover or configuring HA in a new device or those kind of things I'll be looking more.
Yeah, sure. Rajesh, you are
But
going to get everything we have already. So yeah,
okay, instead of your lab, I'll be depend on my. So I
yeah,
have my
definitely.
own. I need that support to configure at least for one lab, so that I can follow the same thing for the rest of that. If I need any support, I'll get back to.
Yes, yes. So
So if you
actually,
committed this one, then I'll be interested. Okay. So that minimum the requirement of mine from my side is this.
that is really impressive. Rajesh, your approach towards learning is really aligned and you're already so many moves ahead. So point is, we as a training company already encourage our learners to set up their own lab. Actually, I'm saying you, okay. And if you see, even in my, I don't know, like you have attended any class or not from us, but if you see there, if you like, you can say 4 5 6 classes, then you will come to know like how we are encouraging them to, if you want, then you should have your own lab set up in your own laptop. That will be more easy for you, correct? So
Yeah,
that
yeah.
we already encourage, and I'm seeing you are coming with the same request. That is really impressive, and I appreciate your planning towards learning. That is good. So definitely
Okay.
we are in all these things. That is your requirement. I think already you have contacted with our team and they already assured you. So all the best. Definitely you are going.
So I have my i5 10 generation with 16 GB RAM. Is it sufficient for the lab?
For Fortinet, yes, more than sufficient.
And for Palo Alto?
Yeah, that is okay. Like Palo Alto might be, if you are doing hybrid type, hybrid mode lab, then they can ask little bit more RAM. But I think for initially to learning all these concept, like conceptual understanding, that is also enough. Like if you are running only single environment. Single
Okay.
environment means like Palo Alto and Fortinet both. If you are learning at a time, if
Mhm.
you will be running both the firewalls at a time, might be it can lag. But issue is not as much on the high end. You can use that, okay, but make
Mhm.
sure we'll be helping you in that, don't worry. So how you need to, like, what type of planning you will make once you are starting the images, okay? So that
Okay.
also will work, okay,
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
because that particular environment literally that we use in our virtualized environment, they work in the shared model.
Okay.
So like if the CPU RAM is not being used, so other resource can use that. So that is the simple one that will be training you on that, okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, thank you so much, Rajesh. I actually welcome to the track, and we are welcoming you. We'll see you very soon. And
Okay. Thank.
yes, okay, who is coming next?
Hey, hi.
Hello.
Yeah, okay, okay. I think two people at a time. Yes,
No, no issues.
Suresh
Yes,
and
sir.
Muhammad Safiq wants to speak from
Yeah,
last time
Mohammed,
only.
please continue.
No,
Yes.
Suresh, you continue, please.
No, no issue. No. Anyone. Like we are here to just understand the expectation. Okay. Once that will be done, then we are going to start. No issue.
Yeah, myself, Suresh. Overall, I'm having a 12 plus years experience. From last few years, I'm into this management role. So I just want to switch from again from management to role to this technical role, and that's the reason I just want to brush up all my previous technical skills and all. That's the reason this network security and these firewalls. Earlier I worked on this, but still I just want to go through a.
Mm-hmm. Upskilling type thing. You're just, like you can say refreshing your skills
Yes.
that you already had, right? Okay. That is good. So, Suresh just wanted to understand few more things like you already have gone through all those things, like you have done Fortinet earlier, Palo Alto earlier, and routers and switches, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so good, at the right place. Okay, you again will see the same type of imagined picture and the real time scenario in our lab, that I already, even I have few labs ready that I'll be showing you right away, but that is the first draft for the first week only. Like one
Okay.
two classes, you guys will see that lab. After that, lab will keep changing as per the requirement, as per the you can say technology we are training you on. So let's suppose right now, if you are giving you training on the normal routing part of the Fortinet firewall, so at that time you will see different type of lab. Let's suppose second day I'm giving you high availability training, then the lab setup will be different. Third day, I'm giving you training on the transparent mode of the firewall deployment. Then the lab scenario will be totally changed. And the company requirement on what we are solving that and providing that solution in training mode, that you also will be seeing more different. Okay. Everything will be explained, and the relevant labs you are going to see. As Rajesh said there earlier, definitely you are already aligned on the same path. So, yeah. So, okay, Suresh, definitely you are going to upskill, like refresh your previous knowledge, and you'll be enjoying, yes, because you have good experience, you'll be able to connect much. Yeah.
Thank you.
So, like I've seen multiple people here, no one is here who has not experienced. Everyone is having experience in the technology. That is really good, and you can say advantage for you. You can grab more than others who is coming fresh in this. Okay, thank you. Yes, Suresh, thank you so much. Welcome to the class.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, Safik, you just say now. You speak now. Actually,
Yes.
you're not getting chance.
Thank you for giving me a chance. I'm a
I
Mohammed
know
Shafiq.
you.
Uh,
Okay.
who is
Hmm.
coming?
Yeah, you are audible. Yeah, please.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, thank you for giving me a chance. I'm Mohammed Shafiq. Basically, I'm working level one network engineer in Bank of Baroda. So I want to upgrade myself like a firewall, Palo Alto, FortiGate, and routing switching. You know, much experience. You have much experience, so you can catch your goal. But if you are working on level one, so it's not enough for you. So that's why I want to upgrade myself.
Oh, that is great. Okay. Good move you are taking, literally. Believe me. So you'll be become
Yes.
combo now.
But
Yes.
yes, yeah, I'm combo routing, switching, and for firewall parts also.
Okay, good. So right now in your job,
But
what
I
is
want
the
to
thing that you do?
yeah, there is a sir monitoring to managing my monitoring tool and sometimes iOS upgrades, sometimes firmware updates. So this is basic work is here.
Like mainly
Not
monitoring part
any
you are handling,
troubleshoot.
na?
Yeah, monitoring and some level level is there. Something if any WLC not working, switch is not working. So we can check in FLT part. But after that, we will have to go.
Mhm.
We have to go level two, level three. So I want to become a level two and level three. Like
Okay. Now I can totally relate. Like you want to become at that level where you not need to go to someone else, you can itself be
yes,
able
yes,
to
yes,
solve. Hmm.
yes.
Good move.
If
I
any
really
problem
appreciate.
if I will face, then I do, not not other person. So I want to hear.
At the right place, Safiq will really welcome you, and you are going to really get all those things that you are in search for. And because see, in our current demo session, there are multiple people coming having more experience, right? And they already are
Yes.
working either in the same at the same level, or they are already worked. So definitely you are going to also get so many things from them. Once they will be asking questions, you are going to benefited more, right? Because their thought, their question type will be more different than if someone is not already worked on the same position or above positions. So you are literally going to get that benefit, yes. And Yeah, welcome to the class, Safiq.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving me chance. Thank
Definitely, man, we are here to just help. And you also will see throughout the classes as well. Like Rajesh mentioned one point that is really very near to us, that all the things he are mentioned here in his expectation, Rajesh, believe me that we are already doing here, and that is good. Like you actually bring this with you, like it is your expectation, it is your requirement, but already you are providing, but never mentioned. And thank you so much pointing our attention towards that. Definitely, we can mention that in our introduction classes, like what the participants are going to get. Yeah, thank you. So.
Yeah, thank you, Parvez.
Okay, guys. So, without talking more, I think if someone also here want to share, please share, and then we'll be starting. So many people are here. Actually, I see. Yes. Who is coming next?
Yeah, hi, this is Kapil.
Hi, Kapil.
Yeah, I have nearly 4 years of experience in this network domain. So mainly I am looking for a deployment and architecture parts on advanced level. So currently I am working on Palo Alto and FortiGate firewalls. And in previous organization I work on Cisco and Checkpoint. So mainly I
Okay.
am looking for a advanced level architecture and deployment parts.
Oh, okay. Good, good.
Yeah.
So, like already working in the same like firewall
Yeah,
and
yeah, yeah,
others,
yeah,
but
yeah, yeah,
you
yes, yes, yes,
want
yes.
to learn more advanced concepts
Yeah,
in that.
yes, 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 yes.
Okay, that is good. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Who is coming next? Thank you so much, Kapil. So many things I have now. That is good. Yes. Help us to understand, guys, your expectation, please. So so many people here. Saif is here. Vaibhav is here. Karthik is here. Vijay Bhaskar. Like I cannot read all people name. If I for that I need to see.
Hello.
Okay. Who is coming next?
Yeah, Jignesh Solanki.
Hi, Jignesh.
So actually, I have experience of around 15 years in networking industry, but
Mhm.
I have left the job in 2020 September. So there
Mhm.
is a gap of 5 years, more than 5 years in my career due to some personal issue. So right now I'm looking for a job, but I can see that job is not limited to networking only. Now they are asking for network security, cloud security. That is why I have somehow some basic level experience in network security, but my job was mainly on routing and switching. So
Okay, okay.
now I want to enhance my knowledge in networking security, like FortiGate firewall, Palo Alto firewall, so I can get the job early. So that is why I am here.
That is good. Network security is one part, guys. I just wanted to share one thing, and cloud security is another part. So definitely, cloud security is also more relevant nowadays. Let's suppose if you want to get more high scale salary, then definitely network security with cloud security will be a deadly combination. So you should be going definitely. Who is not going in cloud security and network security both? So network security is the starting, but cloud security we also should have gradually, like slowly, slowly. So definitely, because the things are already started shifting towards cloud, so we also should be more, active towards that as well. But definitely, in the basic, at the back end, your networking and networking security concepts are literally going to be in use. So yeah, thank you for sharing your expectation.
Nowadays,
Anything else, Jignesh,
nowadays
that you are
company,
expecting from us?
nowadays company wants a person should know everything, routing, switching,
Yeah,
security.
exactly. You're right. Not only that, I'm also working in a very big MNC, and their expectation is little bit, not little bit. You can say every day are coming with the another type of requirement every day,
Right.
and that is even not the part of your job, right? That is mentioned in your offer letter, but they will be coming, and you cannot deny, right? Because
Exactly.
you also want to learn, then you definitely will grab that opportunity and will say, okay, you are coming, thank you,
Right.
let's do. So this
Right.
type of thing literally happening or right here. I can relate because I'm already in the same thing. Okay. So apart from Jignesh, anyone here also want to share or want to ask something, please?
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, sir. Mumtaz.
Okay. Yeah, please. What you said,
Uh,
Mumtaz?
Mumtaz Ali.
Hi, Mumtaz. Thank you. I
So,
think I'm writing the correct name. Sorry if any typo there.
okay.
Okay, yeah, correctly mentioned. Yeah, go ahead, go ahead. Yeah,
सर
please.
एक्चुअली क्या है कि अभी मैं मुझे अभी 2 साल हुए हैं और मैं नेटवर्क के इसमें आया हूँ। इसमें मैंने राउटर पे, स्विच पे और फायरवॉल पे तो मतलब बेसिक काम किया है।
ओके, गुड।
और तो इससे ज़्यादा मेरे को कुछ आता नहीं, तो मैं अपना मतलब उसको जो स्किल है मैं उसको बढ़ाना चाहता हूँ और एडवांस लेवल तक जाना चाह रहा हूँ। तो उसके लिए मुझे कुछ सर्टिफिकेट भी करने थे, जैसे CCNA, CCNP।
ओके, गुड।
तो इसमें मुझे क्या बेस्ट होगा और किस तरीके कर सकते हैं, तो मुझे मतलब बेसिक से इसको सीखना है आई थिंक।
CCNA, CCNP. After that, NSC4 is there. That is very much demanded from the Fortinet.
Fortinet.
Yeah, this is firewall one that you will be learning. Definitely, if you are coming, then we are delivering here in the firewall NSC4 and NSC7. NSC7 especially, I'll be say plus SD1. So this part you are here if you are going as enrollment in this particular session that you are attending right now. So if you are enrolling for Fortinet plus Palo Alto, so Fortinet part I'm saying here. In
Okay.
Fortinet, you will understand NSC4 and SD-WAN. So it includes all the important things. First of all, you will see next-gen firewall features.
Okay.
Next-gen firewall features I'll be telling very soon. And not only that, basic things like routing and advanced routing. Not only routing, advanced routing also you will see in this particular training I'll be covering. Once that is done, also you are going to see NAT. Very important for any firewall engineer to understand how NAT works. Okay. Basically, NAT, once we talk about NAT, NAT is going to play a very big role in the companies. Because let's suppose in your company there some services or servers are running that is actually not mean to your company employees only, but that server you are giving access to all over the globe people. So in that case, NAT you need, okay, because you are running multiple servers inside the company and you don't literally no one wants to actually use so many public IPs, public static IPs that people will use and will come and access their server services. So in that case, NAT becomes so much popular for the one aspect I'm telling. And there are something like if your internal users want to go outside, want to explore the internet, then they also need. The concept is the same, but the working of the NAT inside firewall, that is totally different. That you will be seeing in this. Okay. And once that is done, then again definitely firewall policies will be there, different type of deploying the firewall policies, okay, as per our requirement, as Rajesh has already requested for that, and many others like I remember Faisal also said like you should be making all the things as per aligned with the industry, correct? Theory and lab should be aligned to the real world, not like the theoretical and lab knowledge, correct? Not bookish language. So definitely that part you are going to see as per industry, how they use actually firewall, how they deploy their firewall policies, this type of thing. And once that is done, then definitely you are going to see so many different things like high availability, like HA deployment, transparent deployment. Okay. Not only this, you also can use like different type of interfaces your firewall is going to provide you. Like you can also configure inter VLAN routing. Let's suppose for some time if you need inter VLAN routing and all those features, very basic level features also available in the Fortinet and you can literally use them, correct? Very nice feature, software switch. Like your firewall also have some switch, software switch model available in the firewall, like this is the feature. that you can use and you can deploy your firewall just like switch. Correct? Not only that, once you are deploying your firewall in the transparent deployment, this is the nowadays very common. Rajesh Paisal.
Yeah, correct.
Very much demanded. You know why? Because what happens in the nowadays company, they have some quality guidelines, okay, IT quality guidelines, and they will ask you, if you are there and working as a firewall security engineer or security engineer, they will ask you, okay, hey, listen, we need to deploy our edge device as a firewall, but we do not have multiple IPs, we have only few static IPs. Now this type of requirement they will come to you with. Then how we are going to deploy there? Definitely this is firewall, and firewall mainly works in the L3 mode. Now they are saying we do not have multiple IPs, but deploy the firewall at the edge. So that time we are actually doing transparent mode deployment of our firewalls. And this is very much seen in the industry. As per my experience, even it's been now 2 months. I went Synergy. There is a company in India, very famous company, consulting and service providing company. They are Synergy as some type of company name is that Synergy Group. I went there. The requirement was the same for deployment, transparent deployment they wanted. Okay, like they were not asking, okay, what deployment we will be making, but their ask was the same. Our edge device should be firewall, okay, and we don't have so many IPs available. So now how one engineer will do? Even if you will be deploying your firewall at the edge and that is not in the transparent mode, you definitely are going to provide IP at the your edge interface. But thanks to transparent mode, you don't need actually. And firewall also will be there. Okay, that you are going to see actually. Software switch, once these are the features I am writing here. Not all, at least those features they are really relevant as per industry. Apart from all these, you are going to see so many things, but okay, once that is done, then definitely you are going to see security features. Again, the once I am saying security features, then your next gen firewall comes in the picture. And what inside this? Like web filter. Anyone here idea like what are the actually next gen firewall features? What, once we say this is next gen firewall, what is the difference between the old days like traditional firewall and the today's days firewalls?
So legacy firewall is working on, source IP, destination IP, source port and destination port. But the next generation firewall, the filtration is advanced. Like you can filter till layer 7.
Yeah,
So
exactly, you are good. So yes guys, correctly said. So transitional firewalls like legacy firewalls we were mostly using for the flow control early days, from early even today days also we are using. So these type of firewalls are already there. They are actually for main purpose of these firewalls are to just controlling your flow, right? Okay, what are the next gen firewall? You can simply say these are the features, or these are the firewalls enriched with the feature will provide you extra layered security. What I'm saying, see, let's
Yeah,
suppose getting na.
yeah, like URL filtering and
Yes,
IDS, IPS services, SSL inspections,
yes,
uh, all like your malware and threat protections. These are all
exactly, yeah.
included in that package.
You are right. There are so many other features, like as you mentioned, let me write type here. URL filtering, correct? Application filter, correct?
Yes, yes. IDS, IPS.
Not only that, you can say geographical filter as well. Like as per the
Yes,
geography, you can use or not. Let's suppose there are so many companies. Let's suppose I'm working in my company that belong to India, and there is war happening. Let's suppose, no, not the good example. Where the war is happening right nowadays? Ukraine and Russia, right? So let's suppose I am working in Russian project. Some Russia project is there I am working with. So my company will say, hey, don't allow any traffic that is going from Russia to Ukraine. So this type of filtering also you can do in your NextGen firewall fee. That is available actually in the NextGen firewalls. Okay, like geographical level filtering you can also do. Correct. Let's suppose some website that belong to any Ukrainian country, that will you will be restricting that. This type of micro level security management you can get by using this NextGen firewall. Not only that, one thing above all, you can put URL filtering even. What is this, guys? Now everyone here will relate with me. What do you think? If you want to access, let's suppose today, www.google.com, what is the first thing your host will do? DNS resolution. Agree? Yes, no?
Yes.
And what you are doing in the NextGen firewall feature, you are going and just putting filter on the where? DNS. Okay? You are saying, hey, listen, if this particular this type of website you are trying to go and trying to resolve your DNS, I am not let you go to do that. So see, even at the very first step, your firewall is coming in the action. Whatever flow is that, like flow and other things will be controlled by your transitional features, legacy features, like if the traffic is coming from inside and trying to go on outside, okay, let it go. But what next? What it is bringing with itself inside? So it is saying the request is related DNS resolution. Okay, oh, DNS resolution, let me see what website you are trying to resolve. So it is saying, hey, it is trying to resolve some website that is www.google.com. Hey, you are not allowed to access this website. Hey, you can't go, like it is dropped. Understanding even the first step, if DNS is not resolved, then anyone inside the company can get access of internet. Tell me. No. Yes. Once we talk about internet, definitely we are talking about going on internet and searching some website, accessing all those features, right? But point is, how much layered security available inside our nowadays NextGen firewalls. Guys, imagine how the security will be for your company. Wonderful level. Correct? So URL first, DNS filtering. If that is passed, then there are other things like URL filtering. After that, you can go application, like from which application you are accessing or which application you are accessing for. Correct? Yeah, getting? Not only that, you have more features like antivirus. Malware. Okay, let's suppose you got access of some website. The website is very good. Okay, but what happened 2-3 days before, that website got hacked by the hackers, and hackers now planted some malware or some viruses on the same website. Now you are downloading something. As you will click on the download button, this feature of your firewall will detecting, hey, it is trying to download some file having the malware. Okay, I will not let this user to download this particular content. And the same time, you will be either giving log, like some alert, or if you are deployed your firewall in the mode IPS, it will be taking the preventive actions as well. And not only that, guys, this is something I'm telling you that you'll be seeing in the class more. Will be showing you by doing the practical. Hey, listen, this user is trying to go on this website. I'm not letting this user to go. And once even I'm letting the user go, once it is clicking on some link and trying to download something, because if I'll be allowing the user that is sitting inside my company to download that particular malware file, once the file will be downloaded, if it is clicking on the file, definitely the system of the user will be compromised. What does that means? My inside company and the connected network with my private network connected user, my user's PC got compromised. Now see what type of bad things that they will be for us as a network security engineer practitioner if my internal employee system got compromised. So the hacker can use that system for like a bot, like some other things. Isn't it, guys? Like if hacker got access of your internal users PC, then it can do anything, correct? So to save all those things, we are going to learn what are the preventive actions that we can take, what are the things that we should be pre-installing so that this type of situation is not going to be occurred, correct? Not only the next gen firewall only, we also will be seeing some other features there uh, that will be mainly on splitting the physical firewall into multiple logical one. I hope many of you are understanding that once I'm saying. Just like we do in the switches, how can you divide your single switch into multiple switch? Answer is doing VLAN. Understood. How you can divide your router into multiple routers?
VRF.
Answer is VRF. Exactly. How you can divide your Fortinet firewall into multiple? Answer is
Freedom.
VDOMs. Okay? Relating with me?
Yes.
So these are the features that we can use. And here definitely in firewall, there is VDOMs. Believe me, guys, I'll be giving you idea about VDOM, but that the evaluation license really not provide us to do so many things. So we are not using any licensed version. Only in this next gen firewall features, I'll be showing you the things on the licensed version that we have deployed already on the cloud. Okay. This solution we deployed on the cloud, that you will be seeing here URL and other things like VDOM. We so far we have not deployed, but if you literally need, then if you can bring your license that VYOL, then definitely I can show you. We as a company can show you that we already have done. But point is, if you have your own license, then like we have so far all the features we can show you, they are the important one. Definitely VDOM is also important. But again, once you will be doing that splitting of the main physical device into multiple, on all the divided devices, you are going to apply all these features only that we have seen, right? So far. So definitely, but if you have your own license, then you can just ask us. As Rajesh mentioned, like wants to configure all the things in his own lab. If you have your own license, you can share your screen and you can take help. Definitely will be very happy to help you in that particular part, like we don't. I'm being very transparent, guys, okay? Not saying anything that we will not able to show you, okay? So yeah. Not only that, there are so many other things. Might be I'm just something is going bounce. I'm just not able to recall those things. There are so many multiple things that I'm not mentioning here that you'll be going and understand throughout the training. But yes, you'll be getting that anyhow. Okay. So any question from anyone here so far? Or something want to add?
So Fortinet SD-WAN concept should be also there.
Yes, Faisal, definitely that will be there.
Okay.
Yes.
So we'll have any lab for SD-WAN?
Okay, see, if we see SD-WAN, so the SD-WAN in context of Fortinet is totally different from other vendors. Correct? So,
Yeah.
like they do not have separate SD-WAN solution. Actually, they do all the features. They provide all those features inside the same box. Correct? So, like SD-WAN feature, you can simply see in the same box. That is the FortiGate appliance. You'll be seeing all the things inside that. They are not literally just like we see in the Cisco SD-WAN. No, they are totally different. So I'll be showing you, then you'll be surprised, like, see how this is the feature. So SD-WAN inside Fortinet is just a feature. Okay. And definitely it will help you to control so many things. Correct. But point is, it is not equal to Cisco SD-WAN or other vendors SD-WAN. This works totally different. Okay.
And what about the VPN?
Oh, good. I was thinking something missed. Yeah. Thank you so much for bringing this in notice. Okay. So
Yeah.
VPN is definitely there. So this is the actually see Oh, I just forgot that, man. So what are the main parts in your training? VPN is the main portion. Even you can say in your training 30% portion from the VPN only. Okay, then we will talk about routing, next gen. Again, the best part here, the next gen firewall feature. So this is contributing more in your training. In VPN, you will see different type of VPN. Let me tell you, in normally NSC 4 level training that you guys are in right now. So here people do not provide you VPN at that level. They will provide you understanding on side to side VPN. Already you guys know, correct? What is side to side VPN? And they will help you to understand remote access VPN. These two category they will show you. They will miss one VPN that is known as hub and spoke VPN. Agree? Like from the industry, many of you are. So this one they lack. They are not going to tell you, but here you are going to see this as well. All right. So this part also you will be seeing. Not only that, enriched with SD-WAN. Like this part you are seeing all together, and also that will be added with the SD-WAN. Not only that, above everything, you are going to see the feature of FortiManager as well. Like you're getting na centrally. So if you talk about little bit more, so FortiGate standalone. So we'll be showing you all the things like whatever we have discussed so far, and also using the FortiManager. Like multiple boxes of the standalone devices, you will be centrally managing from the FortiManager. So this also you will be seeing. I will not say so many things related FortiManager, but decent level knowledge you also will get. Okay, knowledge of the FortiManager. Why I am saying not completely? Because there is different code inside the Fortinet that actually teach you about the FortiManager in all aspects, but you will be at least getting 70% of that in this training as well. Not 100, but 70%. Guys with me so far?
We learn add-on in the FortiManager as well.
No.
No.
We'll see if we can show. Definitely we'll be showing you. Okay. I need to check once more about the FortiManager. Okay. What I'll be telling you. So might be tomorrow you'll be come to know. All right.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So anybody have any other question or something you want to add? Like if just like
So,
thanks to that
so are
person
you
who added VPN. Yeah.
so are you Forti analyzer also?
Forti analyzer, not much. Okay.
Okay, but you will integrate, no, with your
Yes,
Forti.
that will be integrating, but not will be exploring much features of that.
Okay, but like the basic troubleshooting you will show.
Exactly. You got it. Yes.
Okay, and proxy,
No.
Forti proxy.
No. That will be then going above the our syllabus. Okay. Like see,
Okay.
let me tell you. So we are actually here mainly in the NSC 4 plus SD-WAN combo. Okay. For all these, what are the supporting units we are going to see altogether?
So
Like once you will be saying like all
hey,
will not be covered, because see, a Fortinet actually have different codes and different syllabus for each of them. Getting it? Like FortiAnalyzer is the different thing, and they have different code for that. Even you can see there in their track as well. If you go and you can see, let me show you. Let's suppose I'm just putting here Fortinet NSC4. So it will be opening the tracks. See, able to see here?
Yeah.
So in NSC4, what we are going to see will be most probably here in the secure networks and operation. Mainly these two will be seeing here. And you can also see here so many different things. Go a little bit down if free trials also they have actually. Product certifications. Oh, not like that. Just let me go to the same page. Okay. So they have different codes here, na? See? So again, you already know, guys, like this is the expert level, just like in Cisco CCIE, Fortinet Certified Expert, NSE 8. So once I am saying NSC 4 with SD-WAN, so I am saying NSC 4 here, okay? And they are actually not showing, they just changed their model nowadays, but SD-WAN at least up to your NSC 7 level, right? Specialist level, you will be seeing the SD-WAN in this particular training that you are right now. All right. And for others, like there are multiple, now they including it differently. Earlier they were doing it in the different way. But point is, once you are saying analyzer, Forti manager, then they have different codes for that. They do not cover inside the NSC4. Okay.
Forti manager and Forti analyzer comes under NSE 5.
Yeah, correct. But see, that's the same I'm saying here. No? Like they just changed the grouping recently. Okay.
But are we covering here in this course?
No, not covering. Like covering, but at that level that is required for NSC 4 plus SD-WAN. Like our main focus will be these two, and they are the
No,
most demanded in the market. Okay.
no. As you said that 40 manager 70% we will cover.
Yes.
So are you are you covering for this here?
This only.
So,
Supporting this only will be covering 40 manager.
okay, 40 manager and 40 analyzer, the troubleshooting level.
Exactly.
Basic.
Like
Okay.
let me, main will be this. I think you are understanding it correctly. And others will be for support. Support the main one. Like analyzer. Okay. Like manager, all those.
Yeah.
Okay. Not only that, let me tell you literally, some different vendors like Cisco vendor also you'll be seeing in this. But again, for supporting, as your requirement is you want a realistic design, right? So in realistic design, if you go in the companies, might be you will not have 40 switch, right? You will have Cisco switch, you will have Cisco router. Definitely we are going to see that. Let's suppose inside the VPN, actually we are already covering, not because you requested, okay? We are already covering that. Let's suppose you have to form the VPN and one site is 40, another side is Cisco. Then how will be doing the VPN configuration? Then we should have proper understanding of that, right? So only then we can do. We should have understanding of Cisco as well, how to configure VPN on Cisco. That again, that is not the part of your training, but that again will come at extra, correct? Like you also will be getting to know, okay, how to VPN configuration happen on Cisco vendor. So this also you will see multi-vendor. Mainly, if you talk about multi-vendor, we are including only Cisco. That's it. No one else. Only Cisco. 40 with Cisco. Are you with me?
Yes.
So guys, that was it. So if you say, then let me show you little bit things if I have my lab open. So one basic design that will run for at least 1 week that I'm going to show you. 1 week means one weekend, Saturday, Sunday. Or if you are joining in the weekdays, then definitely 5 days. Like times are there less, na? In weekend we have more time. to discuss all those things. That's why I'm saying. So at least that will take your 5-6 hours to cover. That first topology I'm going to show you. First off, VPN, guys. See, this topology you will see in your VPN. Able to see, everyone?
Yeah.
So now see, your site 3 is Cisco, correct? Your site 2 is Cisco. So how we will be seeing VPN here? Whatever approach, if you are saying, let's suppose I'm showing you VPN first between Fortinet and Fortinet first, that is the first one VPN tunnel here, correct? And let's suppose second tunnel we are making between this and this side 3, then another tunnel, correct? Or you are asking, hey, no, don't do like that, you make the VPN between this, then also we will be doing. Okay. Another day you are coming and you are saying some user might sitting at like the user is at the home, correct? And he wants to access the company internal resources from there, then how will be able to give them? So that person can take access from the remote access VPN. Okay. I'm writing from the mouse pad. Kindly ignore if any bad handwriting is showing here. Sorry. Okay. So this is one topology I'm showing you. This is for the especially VPN. Okay. Not only the VPN concept, I'll be telling you like, see how to do configuration. No, also will help you to understand the theory part of that first. Like once we configure VPN, there are multiple phases happening inside, right? So not the high level, even you'll be going deep dive and you'll be seeing so many things from inside, like why phase 1 requires, why phase 2 requires. You are getting now once I'm saying phase 1, phase 2.
Yeah.
So those parts also you'll be touching, not like I'll be not using like template and we'll be doing configuration, that's done. No, like we'll be very much in deep dive level. Okay. So this
So
was one.
your configuration for VPN through FortiManager or direct from the device?
Here direct on the device. Once we will be starting our SD-WAN concept mainly, then we take use of our FortiManager. Okay. So how the flow will be, let me tell you. So all the concepts, first we shall see using standalone device. Okay. Once we reach up to SD-WAN, then we also introduce FortiManager and analyzer. Okay. Getting it? So this will be the first and this will be your second. Like the training will happen in 2 parts, mainly you can say in this way.
Okay. So can we do at least one VPN through FortiManager?
Yeah, we can. No, not such an issue. That's why I've said, you remember 70% will be covering. 70% means the main parts will be covered, na? Like the deep dive, so I can say advanced features will not be seen. Like let's suppose next day you are coming and saying, hey, tell me that feature of the FortiManager. Then I'll be saying, see, this is actually the part of another code, so we are not covering. Okay.
Okay. So we will do at least only one, not only one lab or side to side.
Let's see. Okay. Again, I'll be showing you. I'll be saying you. Let's see. Let's suppose we need more support from the FortiManager to see some other feature that comes in my mind. Like, see, I'm also in the industry and working with the clients by going their site or just helping them from remote location. So let's suppose some other day I am able to see some type of scenario that happened recently, and I just want to give you guys download of the same. So let's suppose we need to use FortiManager for more features, then definitely I'll be showing you. Like, our purpose is to making the training more relevant to the industry. Okay, so that again depend, like I will not commit you like more than one. If you are saying like one, at least you'll be showing or not related VPN configuration, definitely we'll be doing that. But even it can go more than that as well. Getting it?
Okay. Yeah.
If the requirement is coming, and I'm thinking this is very important concept that our students should know also, definitely we are
Yeah.
going to include. Like, see, we are again not just like here to just you enrolled and we are just covering the concepts and letting you go. No, it's not like that. Our purpose is giving you industry aligned syllabus delivery. Okay. So this is one. Yeah. Any other question from anybody?
Yeah, myself, Sujesh. I have some doubt. Something like
Your voice is coming very slow. So can you please speak a little louder?
1 second. Yeah, the thing is that I think the log analysis is the one of the important part of this uh, security, because
Exactly.
yeah, we need to understand what is happening inside this UTM, right? So once this course completed, can I get a around 75% to 80% of this insight on this?
What you are asking, like related the log understanding, correct?
Yeah. How will we find out all these logs? What is
Exactly.
happening every day inside this UTM box? Because now we are getting only few informations because we don't have that license. That's why I'm asking.
Exactly. Yeah. Just wait. I'm showing you what I'm saying. What you are saying now, let me show you. Log part will be definitely there, guys. That is the main thing. Like, once you will see any feature here now, that whatever I've written, see, like side to side VPN, remote access VPN, whatever, all these even, everything will be shown there in the log section. Okay, there is separate log section in the Fortinet standalone device as well. Let me take one access of the device. Okay, let me show you what I'm saying. And if someone already worked on that, then they are already relating with the part. Once I'm saying there is a separate section. Let me just turn it on. Okay, just be with me. So this is a very recent delivery we made. That was the very basic high availability part we discussed. Okay, only one class is discussed so far. So this topology will be becoming bigger. Okay, so okay, if someone is interested to understand our flow, so let me tell you. So let's suppose I started today delivering high availability part. So first topology will be like this. Why? Because you need very basic level understanding of that. So gradually the topology will start becoming bigger, and it will be connecting the industry level things. Like, here will be so routers, you'll be performing routing and other things here, like big topology you'll be seeing. Then again you will be using this particular both the units as cluster unit. So like, this is for first training, second training might be topology will be different, third training topology will be different, and you will be getting the broader picture of the high availability feature of your firewall. So let me just open it and let me show you. It has 182. Okay. Just one moment, guys. Okay. Now it looks great. See, logs and reports. Who asked that? Able to see this section? Logs and reports?
Yeah.
Like, see, forward traffic. Mainly this is that we see in our legacy firewalls. This is especially for that, like traffic flow. If user is coming from LAN and trying to go outside, if allowed or not, or who got declined, why that the user was not getting access of internet. The reason will be shown inside the forward traffic. Like all the logs will be showing here. Local, not these all events, mainly events. See, all the event traffics are like logs you can see here. Like HA events, you'll be seeing here. Getting it? HA activity report, what happened, when the failover happened, this type of things. SD-WAN events, once you are deploying your this feature, like you are enabling SD-WAN features. Able to see inside, this is the additional feature SD-WAN here. See, SD-WAN zones, SD-WAN rules, performance SLAs. This all you are going to see in 100% level coverage. At least the relevant one as per industry. Okay. Again, see, SD-WAN is there one code also in the training. From the Fortinet, they also introduced advanced SD-WAN. That code we are not talking here about. We are talking NSC4 plus SD-WAN. Like SD-WAN that is relevant as per industry. That will be seeing at least all the things. Okay. You got answered? Log and reports, you will be seeing all the things. Like DNS query and see what are these. From here, you started seeing the NextGen firewall features log. Able to see?
Yeah. And yeah, one more thing. If we are enabling enabling a policy, we can see a lots of options like SSL inspection, IPS, IDS, everything will be there, right?
Yes, yes.
So we will get an information about what is IPS, what is IDS.
Yeah, exactly. Without any doubt, man.
Yeah, okay. I'm just asking. That's why.
Yeah, that is good. Let me show you actually one thing. See, I said, if you guys remember, anyone able to relate, I told you guys, next gen firewall features are actually there to add extra layer of security, correct? This is the one layer. See what it is saying. It is saying if the incoming interface is inside, like our local area network user wants to go somewhere, and the outgoing interface is outside, like if the traffic is destined to outside, and how these two will be decided. Anyone can guess how your devices actually decide what will be the flow of this traffic? So answer is from the routing table, correct? Yes. Once, let's suppose, not this one, sorry, wrong one I opened. Let's suppose this user, any user sitting here behind, generating some traffic, some request for where? For internet, let's suppose. Okay, understanding? So it will go either from here or here. We are considering this box is off, so definitely it will go through here. Okay, your Fortinet firewall will receive that traffic on what interface? Port 3, agree? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yeah.
So once it will receive, it will check what? Why it will receive? This is the first question. It will receive because the MAC address like next hop is set to this firewall. Agree? This is how your actually normal packet flow occurs in the networking. So once it will see like this is destined to port 3, like the next hop MAC address is the port 3 MAC address, it will receive and it will check what? It will check the what destination network this user requested for. So once it will see the destination network or destination IP in our case, then it will go in its routing table and will check, okay, do I have any route to go there? Can I help this user to reach the destination? So if it is saying yes, so it will see also something, and that will be which exit interface I need to use to send that traffic to reach there. From there, it will decide two things, like outside interface is decided right now. Okay. And inside where it receives. So in that way, actually your route, your firewall is going to decide what? Your firewall is going to decide incoming and outgoing interface. And if they both are matched, then all these things will be in touch. Are you like source destination is already there, like these four, not only two, these four will be coming in the picture altogether. Getting it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, what next? Then all these things will be checked, like what services are allowed or not. Correct? If the things are matching, so if this service is, what service it is bringing itself, like it is going for HTTP access, it is going to FTP access, it is going there for some other features to access. Accordingly, you can now control your services from here. If you click here, see, now your inspection mode, very important, flow based or proxy based. This is something, guys. If there here anyone from the data center background, anyone?
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah, so I think you will be relating more now. Now,
Yeah.
have you seen switching methods in your switches deployed in the data center?
Yes.
Correct? Three main methods, right? Cut through, getting,
Pass through. Yeah.
yeah. So this is all about that. So what type of inspection you want to enable? Like you want to enable inspection where your FortiGate firewall will take complete request from the user, will then inspect, then will let you know, let you go outside, or you want to just cut through. If the traffic flow is matching, then you are allowing them to go outside. So this type of thing, like see, this part again, I'll be giving only theoretically. Why? Because we do not have at that level of traffic here. Okay. But again, you will be getting the understanding why the flow based, why the proxy based. Understanding? So then again, here NAT is already integrated with the firewall policy. Yeah. If you want to make the NAT in work, then you can do. Now it is your part. You asked, na? Like antivirus, web filter, DNS application, IPS, all these. Once you will enable antivirus, able to see. Now, once you are going here, then it comes to all about your antivirus. Let it open. So here you will be making your antivirus policies. Understanding? And once you made all the policy, you have written all the rule, regulations, what things should be inspected, what not. Then after that, you can simply go and select that here. So once the flow will be matched, source destination IP will be matched, like all the things are good, services are allowed, your inspection mode is done, netting is done, then this antivirus also will be getting checked on that. If this is allowing them or not, like extra layer of security now you are putting, then you are coming, okay, let me also enable web filter. You made some template. Okay. Getting it? So in this way, you can like DNS filter, see,
Hello.
very important.
Hello.
Yeah.
Actually, just wanted to ask that in the antivirus option,
Mm-hmm.
and then is Wi-Fi default. So what is the difference between Wi-Fi default and default?
No, this is the default one, man. So this is coming directly from the vendor only. So this is just a name, okay? See?
Okay, just a minute.
Like there is no such relevance from the Wi-Fi or something else. Do not go in that. This is just a name, okay? Let me change it.
Okay.
So like we are definitely going to make our customized one. We'll not be using their one. They are just there for showing, okay? So let's suppose you are controlling some Wi-Fi things, right? So this is just like that. Not need to be confused. And again, see, SSL inspection, very much demanded protocol. Technology, I will say, not protocol. This is actually enabled in almost all the companies. They are working with the good client. Correct? And believe me, guys, once you are going for interview, you are saying, I know firewall, they are going to ask this anyhow. SSL, explain SSL inspection in Fortinet. Okay? This type of question they are going to ask you. And from here, you can actually enable your logging options that you'll be seeing inside the log and reports.
Excuse me.
Yeah, please
Yeah.
ask question.
In that SSL inspection, and we do understand what is SSL and what is that SSL inspection and all, right? So
yes.
and above that there is an IPS also is there. So we will get an info about what is IPS, SSL and all these.
Exactly, you will be getting information. Like once we will be talking about the security features, na, you will be getting all the details that is required. Okay, like I will not be directly going and enabling the IPS. No, first we'll be exploring that. What is that? See, let me show you. Let's suppose, see here, what you are doing, you are enabling IPS signature and filters, and now you will be creating your policies. See, let's suppose I'm creating new. Once I will click on create new, it will open another page. See, from here now you are going to select here things as per your requirement, what you want to filter, correct? And everything will be explained there, able to severity level. Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes.
So this all part will be introduced there. This is not something like you will be just going, touching and coming outside. No, detailed one, man.
Okay.
And for that reason, actually, we have our appliance deployed on the cloud. Okay, for only for this, because in this version that you are seeing right now, it doesn't support. Let me show you. It does not have that license. Able to see? No license. See, is there any license? It is saying not supported, not supported. So this is basically for the legacy things. Once you will be going on the next gen, then we need license for. So for that reason, I'll be showing you things on the licensed version. Getting it?
Yeah.
So are we covering how to deploy the firewall on the cloud?
No, not at all.
Because anyhow we already deployed. So can you give that
Go through. Okay,
yeah,
no
go
issue.
through
I'll be giving. Don't worry. So see,
because
I'll be helping you to deploy the same in your one. Don't worry. Okay.
yeah. Because
Okay.
that is now the maximum firewall which is deployed on the
Exactly.
on the cloud only. So we need at least that go through just how you are
Like
mapping
see,
the
if you will be coming the
interface.
detailing of the same, then sorry that we there is another thing that actually Fortinet already introduced. Okay, cloud security part. They actually teach you guys how to do all those stuff, how to manage, how to deploy Gate, Forti Manager on cloud. That they have different stream, or you can say code. They already introduced, but the initial deployment things for our lab at least, I'll be telling you. Okay.
Okay.
No
We
extra
don't need
commitment. I'm sorry.
no
At
no
the
we
end, you will be
no
catching me. Okay, you told. Tell me now.
no we don't need any the firewall configurations. Okay. So we need, suppose you are deploying in the AWS or in Azure.
GCP.
So
I'll be deploying that GCP. Okay.
GCP. Okay. So in GCP, so because Azure and these two I know, like VPC and Subnet and how to mapping. At least only for the till the time you are getting the HTTP of the file. So only that process.
Yeah, that definitely. So see, actually, once you deploy on the GCP, I'll be showing you. Don't worry. Okay. I
Okay.
will help in your lab, na. Like, see, this is
Mm,
not included in the training, but once you will be setting your lab, na, then at that time
mm.
I'll be telling you. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
If here is someone else also want to set up their own lab and they just talk with the management, and if they are saying yes, so definitely we are here. We are there to help you. Okay. Anyone have else like any other question? Anyone else have?
Yeah. So are we covering the dynamic protocol like BGP and all?
Yeah. So not at that level, but yes, we'll be doing the basic connectivity using that
Like
BGP one.
OSPF, BGP. Yeah. Okay.
Exactly. All like OSPF, BGP, RIP also I'll be running, and some
Okay.
advanced features like redistribution part. All those. Correct.
Hello.
Hi. Hello.
Going to cover SSL also. SSL part.
Which one?
SSL inspection SSL.
SSL. Yeah, that is covered. Yes, that is covered, man. Yeah.
Hi, I have few doubts too.
So guys, we'll see you tomorrow then. Okay. Just it was the very high level introduction only. So if you are starting from tomorrow, just be in touch. So like I think demo will be running, I think tomorrow also. But tomorrow will be talking first in the same way, like introduction and others. After that, we are going to also start something saying like configuring the IP, taking access, as well as some basic routing features we'll be seeing tomorrow. Okay. Yes, guys, aligned?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So if any other question, please ask, or we are going to wrap up for the day.
Hey, I have few doubts because now we are using a small local router for our purpose. So if I am planning for an Fortinet, so I have few doubts, something like we will get a user-based access information using this Fortinet.
What is that? Sorry, can you repeat again? I'm not
I
able to
think
get.
I understood his question. Is it like AD integration is there?
Yeah, authentication, right? Oh, yes, that is. Yeah, yes, that is here. Authentication. Yeah, authentication is here.
Okay. And one more doubt is that what
Single
about
sign on also here inside that. Okay.
And what about the bandwidth information? We will get a how much bandwidth we are using, and or we will get information in that Fortinet.
Inside the Fortinet?
Yeah.
I'm not getting again what you are asking.
If you are if you are purchasing a Fortinet firewall,
okay,
we will get what is the bandwidth we are using, and all. We have an option in that.
Like all that, let me show you. I just closed now. You have dashboard definitely here. There you will be able to see everything. But that part you are asking now, I'm literally not getting. If you have any snip or something, can you share with me?
Oh.
Believe me, I'm not getting your question completely.
Actually, now I am using a smaller router for our purpose.
Okay.
So if I am planning to buy a Fortinet,
okay.
I will get a clear picture how much bandwidth we are using and all. Is there any graphical representation inside this firewall?
Your logs, like let me open it. You do one thing, na. You just come up with some pictures, na, tomorrow, if that is possible for you.
Oh.
Then I will be really help you well, because till the time I will not understand the question, how can I answer? Okay, like wrong information will be passed.
Oh, okay.
Like bandwidth means what is the how much traffic your internal users are generating, and if that is your firewall is able to process, correct? That
Yeah.
question you are asking.
Yeah, can we see how much bandwidth we are utilizing now?
Like exactly, that we can see definitely, that is possible. Like whatever link speed you are deployed with, all these things that will be possible here to see. But point is, again, I will be trying to see your design first. Okay, then I can give you any idea.
Okay, now it is a small home router type.
Understood. Yes,
exactly. So if I suggest to buy an firewall, so definitely they will ask question, right? So that's why.
Yes, exactly. So first we need to understand how much bandwidth they need. Okay, and then we'll be comparing that with our this unit, if it will be able to process that much or not. But especially I will say firewalls are there, they can handle bandwidth definitely, but we do not use firewalls for especially for routing and netting, and you can say VPNs. Believe me, VPN only, the remote access VPN is good. For other VPNs we use literally some other devices, because firewall, if you are utilizing it's all the brain in doing all different stuff, it will not be able to do its own stuff. For that it is there, like for security. Okay, so mainly we deploy our firewall for security only. Mainly I'm saying most of the things are covered under your firewall, that is actually helping your network to be secured, like, right? Routing, switching, all other parts are handled by some other appliances in the company, and definitely they are integrated with each other.
For
Yes,
FortiGate is not capable to handle the VPN.
it is well, you can say capacity it has, it can do. But our deployment not happens in that way. Like we do not use that feature much.
Okay.
Getting? Yes?
Yes.
Definitely it has so many different features. Even your other vendors will not be able to provide that. And very easy to, once we'll be seeing all other parts like graphics and other things, will be starting doing configuration, you'll be enjoying it. Literally, believe me. Comparing other vendors, it is very easy to configure things and deploying the policies and solutions. Okay. We'll take one more question. Okay, Nitin, are you here in the training right now? Okay. So guys, no issue. One thing I will add before finishing the training. So before finishing this call, no training happened today, sorry. So guys, once we start seeing all these features, you not need to think more about routing and switching. That anyhow I will explain you. Okay. I will explain you first basic flow of the network, packet, life of a packet, all those things. I also will explain you how your network, how your traffic travels throughout the network from one hop to another hop, right? One router to another router. All those things you will be seeing here. Not directly I'll be jumping on this explanation of the firewall, believe me. So first we'll be seeing the basic flow inside the routers and switches, then we'll be moving slowly towards the firewall. Like everything will be at that level that you can literally relate, like this is you are doing inside your company. Okay. So not need to think. If you have even basic router and switches knowledge, that is enough for this training. Rest part I will handle. Okay. Like at least you should have idea, like this is IP, this is MAC. At least you should be aware about that. Right? Pinging, you should be aware. You should have little bit knowledge about what routing is, what switching is, all those things. That's it. After that, I'll be handling. If I will be seeing like someone is not understanding that, then definitely I will explain that part first, then we'll come to the main topic. Okay, guys. So that was it for today. If anyone have any other question, please ask. Or we are going to finish today's session. Yes, Suresh, Sudhish, Sajid, Sachin, actually, okay. Prakash, Mumtaz, Karthik, Jignesh, Faisal, Muhammad Aziz. Any other question, guys?
No question.
Okay,
No
thank you so much,
questions.
guys. Then we'll see you tomorrow. Okay. You connect with
Okay.
our team members, like management. They will be helping you with other doubts if you have
Yes,
any.
guys.
11, right?
Yes,
Morning,
sir.
morning 11, right?
Exactly. Yeah, 11.
यस गाइस टुडे का सेशन यही एंड अप करते हैं और कल रहेगी डे 2 क्लास और अगर एडमिशन के लिए आप कनेक्ट करना चाहते हो तो आप ऑफिशियल नंबर पे टेक्स्ट कर सकते हो या एडमिशन काउंसलर से कनेक्ट कर सकते हो और एक मंथ एंड का ऑफर भी है, अगर कोई इंटरेस्टेड होगा तो वो डिस्कस कर लें प्लीज आप एडमिशन टीम से. आई होप आपको अच्छा लगा होगा आज का सेशन, राइट? या
Yes. Thank you so much.
so thank you guys, thank you Amit sir, thank you for the day today.
Thanks a lot, guys. We'll see you soon. Most probably tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care. Keep learning.
Yeah, happy
Thank you.
weekend
Bye-bye.
everyone. Thank you.